Hello everyone, it's Peter here, Piotr Fisner. Guys, so in today's episode we've got a part 2 of the battery bank engine star. So, in the part number 1 we've seen that there was a problem. This device couldn't work on its own, that means the batteries didn't work. Now the battery bank is, now I know it, it's split it into 4 groups, like 4 banks, you can say. This is 1, that's 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so 2 each and then down. Now if we will check here, do you see, you don't see, maybe like that, you will see, okay. So if we check the first bank, we can see that it's 3.9, so it's okay. Now these 2 and then another 2, look, 0.46. Yes, so it's drained, completely drained. Something is wrong in these 2, yes, because here will be the same. Yes, here and here. Now the next of them it's good, 418, and the last one it's 228. So this one is good because I've charged it yesterday before recording this video to make sure that I know what I'm talking about and I'm not guessing. So here I've charged it to about 2.9, 2.8, something like that, and it's fine. It's holding. But the problem is here. Okay? So I need to open it, strip it down, see which cell is shorting, because overnightly from 2.9, 2.8, something like that, it went down to 0.46. So one of the cells or more is dead. Okay? And it's causing the issue. Like this. So I need to replace it with a good one or new one. Now once I'll do it, I need to put it back together. This is spot welded, okay, and I need to solder it. I've got no other choice because I don't have a spot welder. And once I'll do it, we can test it back again. That means I need to charge all of them properly and then put it, use it, yes, see if it's charging as well properly, because it was starting to work the way it's supposed to do. But now when I'm plugging in again this, yes, it doesn't turn on. I can press the button and it's nothing, it's dead again. So I don't think I will be recording an episode number 3 unless I will find something interesting, because you know where we are at now. So we knew about 2 MOSFETs. I replaced these MOSFETs, and I found those dead cells or dead cell. We will see how many, because it's in the row of all 8 of them. And now what has left is to find the culprit or culprits. Yes, here. Once I will replace them, it should be back okay, because I assume that it will be okay, because it's charging well. Let's turn it on. Let's get the power supply. Okay, let's plug it in. Don't want to make any short. So now you see the display is on and my meter is on, and my light will go on as well now. Yes, so this is working right. Okay, now here I've disconnected this battery pack, so let's check, because it should have up to 16 volts, yes, because we've got 4 times 4 volts, so that would be 16 volts. So look, that's 14.62, so that's fine. So it's charging now well, whereas before we couldn't because there were MOSFETs faulty, shorted. And that's us, guys. That's us. That's a fix. I won't be bothering you unless I won't be recording another one unless I will see some other issues. And for those who haven't looked at the part 1, I'll show you only that the MOSFET is type N MOSFET. I've used to fix this. I've used Xbox One S MOSFETs from the power rail. That's an Xbox board which I took 2 MOSFETs from here, those 2. So I knew these are type N MOSFETs, yes. They don't have so many amperes as these ones here, that's why I've ordered those to replace with a proper one, because if we don't use a lot of amps, it's fine, but the minute we would start to use more amps, we would kill it. As well, there are other in the specifications. So we are in the diode mode, so it should be shorted when it's completed circuit. Here it's none. When we press on this side, it's none. So this one is good, and the second one, because that's the one which I took it from, shorted. And now the red probe on this, and this, it's shorted. So this one for sure, this was suspicious for me, so I'll replace both of them. In the circuit had odd reading, so fingers crossed there is nothing else to it, but that's it in this episode. Thank you guys for watching. If possible, please do like or subscribe. If you have got any comments, leave them down below, and see you in the next video. If possible, let's fix them all. Bye.